Hi everybody, welcome to the Bear Cave. I'm Smoking Bears. Today, Cast Iron Wednesday, we're going to do an easy, inexpensive chili. Something that my wife and I created years and years ago when we were on a really tight budget. And it's so easy, so delicious. And my kids don't like any other chili other than this. So, let's get into this. Cheers. Alright, so here's our ingredients. I have a pound of ground meat that I've already browned. This just happens to be a turkey sausage. Use your favorite. 80-20 ground beef is fantastic. I have a 24-ounce jar of salsa, a 64-ounce jar of tomato juice. V8 juice is fantastic. And I have 4 cans of beans. I have 2 cans of light beans, 2 cans of dark beans that have been thoroughly rinsed, getting off all that liquid from the canning. And that's it. This is a super flavorful dish. Let's get into it. Alright, as you can see, I've already got red already up here getting heated up. So we're going to go ahead and add in our beans. That's fine. We're going to add in our pound of meat. Any kind of ground meat you want. Breakfast sausage, burger, lamb, whatever. Pulled pork. Any kind of meat. Go ahead and get that in. Take your jar of salsa. The whole salsa. Get it in there. And you say, wait, what? Salsa? Instead of doing all the prep work with the dicing of onions, peppers, tomatoes, all that, it's already in here. Now, I'm going to take some tomato juice, 100% tomato juice, V8 juice, drop that in there. I'm only going to pour about half of it in part of it in right now. Because I want to take, this is important, take your salsa jar, you got all that stuff in the bottom, pour a little tomato juice in there, fill it up, about halfway, swirl it around. That way you get all that goodness out of there. Dump it in there. Do that a few times, just to get all of it out of there. Nice little trick, boom. Pour the rest of your juice in there. Give it a good stir. Now, what will happen is we're going to let this simmer. We're going to let this go for hours and hours and hours. Why so long? Well, because I want the water that was in that tomato juice to evaporate. So we're going to reduce this and make it thick. And that's all we're going to do. Alright guys, so it's been about 2 hours. I've actually cut my heat back from a medium low to a warm. I've been lifting it up about every 30 minutes. Letting the water kind of drain back in. Then I stir. And you can see we're getting thick. And you want to make sure that when you stir, you're getting everything off the bottom, because one burnt bean can screw up this whole batch of chili. And as you can see, we've already reduced quite a bit. We was up around here, now we're down here. So that's really good. We're getting nice and thick, and that's what I like. And when I put the lid on, I actually started venting it just like that a little bit. That way some of the moisture can escape and it doesn't just keep going back into the chili, which is awesome, but I want a little bit of it to escape so that way we can get some thickening going on. I just want to show you guys this. I've got her on warm, and we're going to lift this up with the water drip back down there. You see how beautiful that's looking. Holy cow. Let's give this a stir. She's thickening up pretty good. fact, I think I'm going to cut the heat off completely and let her kind of cool down a little bit so we can get ready to do our taste test. Alright guys, so I'm going to get us a little taste test here. Let's go ahead and take a look at this. What do you think, Bear Cub?
Looks good. Nice color.
Pretty yummy, huh?
Yeah, it has a nice color.
Let's go ahead and give it another little stir. See how thick that is? Oh, that's good stuff. Okay. Now we're going to take our bowl with some cornbread. That's how we like to eat it. Take a measuring cup. That's just how we like to eat it. Just like that. Alright guys, so let's give this a taste test. Bear Cub kind of jacked up the taste test, but that's alright. So we have a little bit of cornbread. Wow. The flavor just pops with this. And wow. The beans still have a good texture to them. The salsa and the tomato juice, and give it the right amount of seasoning so it's not overpowering at all for those who are sensitive to the seasoning. It's nice and thick, and you could top it with cheese or any other kind of toppings you want. This is just how we like it. All right, so that's our chili. This is what my kids love. They enjoy this. This is comfort food, especially when it gets a little chill in the air. So that's all I got this week, everybody. Have a great week. And remember, there's 2 rules in cooking. Did it taste good? Did you have fun? Rock on. You are awesome.
Hi. Hot. That's good.
Describe it, Bear.
It's good. I like chili.